Ivory in the backfield. They toss it to him. Ivory trying to dish out some punishment, and he did. 2nd and 8 for the Jets. Just underway in overtime, tied at 20. Decker goes in motion, 2 catches for Decker. Fitzpatrick throws. He's got Enunwa down the sideline. Quincy Enunwa makes a move upfield, and he's brought down from behind. Chunks of yards, 48 of them.
Well, he gets help on the outside as Tompkins came to the inside with a little rub route there. But Enunwa making up for not making a catch moments ago. Makes a big play there to get the Jets in field goal range.
Handed off. Ivory loses the ball and recovers it. 3.5 yard gain. Business to take up here, though. Patriots. Caught by Marshall.
Tremendous throw by Fitzpatrick, and Marshall making another catch in a crowd. Double team coming over too late is Harmon. Running left, throwing down the field on target by Fitzpatrick.
1st and goal from the 6. A touchdown is a game winner in overtime. Fitzpatrick. End zone. Eric Decker holds it in. The Jets win in overtime.
Well, the Jets got good news with Pittsburgh losing, then they make good news of their own. Decker gets behind Butler, and Fitzpatrick right on target again. 3 for 3 on the drive for 74 yards and the game winner.
An eruption in East Rutherford. Good night.